How are we doing since your last visit, Andrew?
Oh, good.
Much better?
Oh, yeah.
You drove quite a ways to come up here. Where'd you come from? Not Mossy Rock area.
Winlock.
Winlock area.
Yeah, Winlock.
Would that take you about an hour and a half, 2 hours?
I usually get up here about 45 minutes.
How'd you find me again?
YouTube. Yep.
Went on YouTube. What are you doing? Watching videos of chiropractors adjusting people?
Basically, yeah. Yeah, I came across you and I was like, alright.
And what's your experience been like?
Not the best. Well, with other chiropractors that I went to see.
How about here?
Good. Real good.
You had, what did you have happen?
I had I fell, so I kind of had like I don't know, whiplash or something, maybe neck. I had real stiffness in my neck, and you fix that. I mean, that's about 100% better, you know.
You went to a chiropractor too, but they were like,
they adjusted my neck 3, 4, 5 different times, and it never changed nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
And they wanted you to come back for what, a year?
I think it was like, it was a while. They wanted me to get on a program that was I want to say at least 5, 6 months or something.
5, 6 months for a program?
And about $3,000.
Really?
Yep.
And what did I say to you? Maybe we'll go a couple times a week for maybe about 4 weeks. When you're better, you're out of here.
I think you put me on there for like 4 weeks, but I mean, honestly, I felt I'm 100% better, but.
And you didn't sign any contract for 5 or 6 months or a year here?
Nothing. Nope.
And I said, when you feel better, you come back when you want, right?
Exactly.
All right, lay on your right hip for me. All right, lower back, right at 4. Good. On your back. Cross here. Take a deep breath. Release. Big breath in. And out. Much easier adjusting compared to day one even.
Oh, yeah.
And right upper neck, C1, C2. You were having some headaches.
Oh man, I had headaches, just all kinds of stuff. Just stiffness in the neck, couldn't really turn to the left.
And back down. I'll go easy. Good. Good job. And now you're able to do your work.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's have you sit facing the chair that way for me. Checking the shoulders. All right. And you got the stretches, exercises I sent you through your email. Those are for you to do and work on when you're not seeing me.
Oh yeah.
Any words for the audience to share if you look over this way? Right in the camera. Turn around this way. Adjustment was so good that
Fixed everything. My neck, it was tight. I couldn't move it to the left. Seen a couple different chiropractors. Came here and a couple adjustments, felt 100% better. Basically came in today just to.
For the tune-up.
Yeah,
kind of winding down.
Little tune-up, but I mean everything feels
much
great.
better.
Way better. Yeah.
How many visits we have? Like 4? Is this a 4th one?
I want to say this is the 4th, but the last, I noticed a big difference in the second one. The first
That's
one,
awesome.
the first one,
First one you were a little sore in the
first
neck.
one was a little sore. The second one, it was way better than a couple last ones, a little bit tune up, but
Not uncommon though, and I try to tell patients that when You guys get your first, second adjustment. Sometimes those muscles will spasm. I think you
yeah.
got a little spasm in the neck.
Oh yeah.
Not uncommon. And I tell you to ice and some home care, and then we send videos of stretches as well as exercise things that you can do. But you know, when we have you at this point, see you when you need me.
Oh yeah, I appreciate it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks. Dr. David Warwick, Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington. Thank you, guys.